Okay, ready to bounce? Start your bouncing. Bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Kaboink, kaboink, kaboink. There she goes. Where's your smiley face? Zayden. Where's Grandma Girl? There she is. Kaboink, kaboinker. Say I'm a bouncy, bouncy baby. Zayden. Hey you. Do some more boinking. Kaboink, kaboink, kaboink. Kaboink, kaboink, kaboink. Where's the brother? Where's the brother? Zayden. You got a train. Where's the train? I see you.
Hi.
Where's Zayden? There she is.
Baby.
The baby. I want to get you. Where's Jaden? Say cheese. Watch out for the cord. Cheese. You can play drums for me?
Song.
You can play song on the drums? Where's the sticks? Here's one. Jaden, here's one stick. Here's one.
Song.
Here's one. No, go play drums. Go play drums for Grandma. I see you. No, don't put it in there. I want to tickle you. In there? Don't do that, Jake will get mad and mess up his camera. Watch out for the baby. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Don't do that. You'll hurt the baby. You don't want to hurt the baby. You got to go hit the drums. Hit the drums. Uh-oh. Careful. Careful. I see what you're up to. What's that brother doing making all that noise? You want to see the baby? There she is. There she is. She's eating her toy. See, you can't get in front of it and get behind it at the same time. I know that's what you want. You want to see? Let's see.
Baby.